trade, I want to show you how to trade the support and resistance strategy, which I taught you earlier. That is the most simple and common and most reliable trading strategy in the whole world. As far as I'm concerned, well, it's simple, most reliable, and it gives clarity. Now, to trade support and resistance, I will advise you to go to a higher time frame. Do not trade support and resistance on a smaller time frame. It will disappoint you, because the market is always moving on a wave. So the most trusted and reliable time frame is the 4 hours. So if you want to trade support and resistance, go on a 4 hours. I want to show you this because this will actually figure out what you want. So now we look at this, we see a small downtrend here in this particular downtrend. Hope you can see this is a downtrend, right? So what I have to do is for me to mark my support and resistance, which I actually mark these as the resistance and I mark these as the support. You can see that already. Now when I mark that, it plays out quite well for me. So, and now what I did is that I marked that when this particular red candle was intact. So I mark it and wait for this candle to come up, and I'll say to myself, by the time this new candle that will form will get to this point, I will sell. That was the mindset. That was what I did. Once it gets to that point, I will definitely sell. So what I did was I have to wait for the market, and the market came up and went to that point. Once it gets to this 4202, for those people in my Telegram group, they will actually acknowledge the fact that they received that signal from me. So once it gets to that place, I have to initiate the signal and send it to my community. I already type it and get already. Let's go to my Telegram community. You have opportunity to see. So let's go over there. Yes, there's my signal community. Look at the trade here. We're very take profit one. So when I saw it at 202, before I was done typing, it has moved up to 204. So I gave them the signal at 4204. I gave them the signal there and give them the stop loss at 4211, and the take profit 1, take profits 2. Currently the market is at take profit. So let's go back there so you can see for yourself. So you can see the market here at 4194. Look at it, 4193 is TP2. So at this point we have cleared TP1 already and TP2. All right, so now what I want to show you is trading support and resistance. You need to have this understanding. Go on a 4 hours. First, mark the trend, very important, which is your support and resistance. After that have been marked, the next thing you need to do is follow the trend. If it is an uptrend, you're going to buy. If it is a downtrend, you're going to sell. So in this situation, is a downtrend, we're definitely going to sell. So what we need to do is we need to wait for this new candle to pull to this resistance zone. Once it pulls to this resistance zone, the next thing we do is we sell. Now we sell because we are 80% sure that it will sell. Yes, let me say so. We sell because we know it will sell. Definitely, no matter how it is. This is how to trade support and resistance. This is the trend. It was selling here, selling here, selling here, selling here, selling here. So we are 80% sure it will definitely sell if we actually enter the market at that particular place. So this is how to trade support and resistance, and we executed the trade at this point. If you can see, this is where I executed the trade at that point, and it went low and sweep the first take profit. At this point I'm talking to you, that's already sweep the second take profit right now, and for a certainty it will sweep the third profit and the fourth take profit and the fifth take profit. It will definitely smash all of them as planned. So how do you trade support and resistance? First of all, mark your support and resistance zone, which is what we have here. Once you mark that, wait for the market to pull after the new candle has been formed, to pull to this resistance. Once you get to the resistance, you sell. If it is an uptrend, which is like this, wait for the market to pull to the support. Once the market gets to the support, what you do at that support level is you buy. But if it is a downtrend like this, once the market comes to the resistance level like this, you sell. So obviously you can see that was exactly what I did, and as I'm talking to you, we are in profit. We are in whoopee good profit as I'm talking to you right now. So that is it. That's how to trade support and resistance. Hope you've learned, hope you've gotten value on how it's been done. So that is it. Now if you come here, you're going to see we're already on profit. We have already closed. Like you can see, TP1 have already closed on $200. TP2 is about to be closed, like right now. A little time is going to be closed. Why do I say you should trade this? Is because the 4 hours is the most reliable time frame as far as I'm concerned. That's the most reliable time frame as far as I'm concerned. So this is the simple strategy. Wait for the market to get to this support or resistance, then you buy or you sell. Put your take profit at the next resistance or the next support level. If you're selling, your take profit is going to be down and your entry point is going to be up. If you're buying, your take profit is going to be up and your entry is going to be down. Hope you've gotten value. Hope you learned something. If you do, please kindly like, share and comment. Tell us what you want to learn, because more videos like this is coming up to this channel. We've dedicated this channel for you to teach you how to enter trade as a profitable trader, and our goal is that this year you have to become a profitable forex trader. If you believe in yourself, type amen. Type amen. I will become a profitable trader in this year. Type it in the comment section. Let's see it coming. Thank you so much. Subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell. Watch out for more videos like this.